Okay, so today is a new day and I am supposed to be editing. However, I have to clear off my phone because that's not my thing. Like, a lot of people use them cloud, which is great. I don't do cloud. Once my cloud did full, I never ended up doing cloud again. So I am a religious transfer to hard drive person. I am a hard drive lover. Now, do I have some things on cloud? Yeah, but I think majority of my pictures and stuff, they're on hard drives. So I am gonna go through them and start taking some of those out, making some space for some stuff at least. Today was a day I had a few errands that I had to run. I was supposed to make lotion today, and for some reason I still never make it because I need a video for my channel. I'll make it. Damn, I have to make it this evening maybe. Yeah, I'll probably just continue it this evening. Nope, tomorrow it's gonna be, or early this morning. That would be cool. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, tomorrow morning, that would be dope. Yeah, but I did make a drop off a while ago. I have some clothes because I like keep clothes when I'm supposed to donate, and I keep looking at it like, do I need something outside of it? But I didn't even remember it, and it locked up in one of our storage bin for how long, so I don't need it. So I'm just like, here I can donate it, and some of them look like it won't show them. Just like, here I can donate when I can donate. I probably can't donate it because some of them I did need for throw away. Some of them they need for throw away, and some of them can donate. Somebody can purchase it. Hope them to dash them away. You know, everything that sometimes them dash away. Hope them to throw it away. Alright. So it's time for me to do pickup, but I'm early, so I was like, let me chill in the park and find myself a different scenery because I'm always in my little closet. So I think that might work with today. It is the 1st of October. First time of me trying in October, and it is my doctor's appointment. I don't know what time it is. I think it is 10, so I'm gonna go regardless. But yeah, the 1st of October, and I have to get ready. That's the thing. Okay, so I have my shirt on. Listen, if Walmart did ever have them any more of these on sale when I bought it, I would have purchased it in different colors because they don't have any more. And I think it's the boho t-shirt. I wonder if I could check online. Maybe I have it online, but in stores they don't have it anymore. These t-shirts are so comfortable. I like this. Probably have it online, yes. On sale. And my black pants as per usual. I wonder if I'm gonna have to take my clothes off today at my doctor's appointment. Listen, I haven't been to the doctor in a long time. This is the first time in a very long while that I'm going to the doctor to go check to see if I'm dying. I have no hair tea today. The hair tea done. I need to make some more for my hair. And because of that, I just want to catch up my hair. I don't like to catch it up, but I also don't want to be running around here with my hair out. It's very humid outside, so it's like I have no reason to. Let me just. Anytime I spray, most of the time, on the edge. That's how I get most of the love from it, the edges, because they're the ones who are on the front line. And to me, they need the most love. The actual lock itself. Sometimes I rub it with oil, right? But depending upon the oil I'm gonna rub on my hair, build up for days. Okay, perfect. Now some earrings. Okay, so I decided to switch it up and wear the dupes today instead. So that's what I'm gonna wear. Oh, I think I wanted something different, so yeah, that may go wear today. Push back simple, definitely my look. Now I'm gonna make a lip gloss. I'm always, I'm gonna just start though, you know, they're different because usually it's just the gloss, but you know, and I changed up a bit. What time? Okay, it's almost time to go to the bus. Alright. Alright. Now some of my lip gloss. I don't know why the lip gloss changed color, but my lips definitely need a lip scrub soon. Need to be exfoliated. Okay. I feel like it's okay. Okay, well, what do you think? All right, so I'm ready for the road, right? Cute, very cutesy. I like them top here. I can line up. Walmart have some more, like very, you know, because I would like to have other colors other than brown. It's just that that's all they had left. Okay. Guys, mentally rush. Like, I'm telling you, I'm almost late for my appointment. So, okay, as we sit down, the nurse did come, so I had to stop, did my vitals and stuff. So now I am waiting patiently for the doctor to come in, and then they can give me a check, and they could check me and see if everything good. Oh, and give me more results because I think I need to do some blood tests as well. That's my day. Today's just a chill day. Like, there's nothing exciting going on, unfortunately, but yeah. Yo, with this whole strike, it's a serious thing. I'm here now at the supermarket, and it's a Tuesday morning and the supermarket packed. Well, then it is the first as well, so it's payday, so maybe that's why. That could be the reason, but still, like, it's really packed on a Tuesday morning. Damn. Guys, my supermarket barely has any form of meat here, which is crazy. I think I'm gonna get some boneless thighs. Look at this. This is not what beaches used to look like. All the way over there. Usually they have it filled up, and the guy said it's been like this all week. Okay, so I didn't get a lot of things, but I just get the necessities what we need, and I really wasn't super shopping for the strike. I was just trying to pack up on some stuff for the kids around all the house. Like, might as well I get the other stuff that I need, you know, just in case things go left, as it seemed like it might. But either way, at least I won't have to stop it for a while. You know, I won't have to come back here for a minute, and I have their snacks and stuff, so that's good. I'm home now, and even though when we eat that party, I forgot the bathroom because for some reason it messed my belly. But I don't usually eat in the day, but I don't know if it's like the week before my cycle or what, but I want food like I'm like. So we're gonna have a patty, but we're gonna put egg inside of it, and we're gonna put lettuce inside of it, so it gives it a nice little humph. So let's do that. All right, so we opened up the patty. That's how we're gonna make the floss patty. We're gonna put some lettuce inside of the full house patty. In Jamaica, if you're Jamaican, you know a full house patty. Yo, if you want tomato, add tomato. I don't have any tomatoes. And then you put this, and then I'm gonna go ahead. I have to flip my eggs though, and I'm gonna add my eggs to it. Fish patty, power patty, and power patty. Cheese. Oh, that was not a good flip on my part. Yes. A full house patty. Chef's kiss. Make sure you don't have nothing to do when you eat this, because you're gonna drop asleep. So good. Got some more popcorn. I don't think this is doomsday food, but it's food all the same, right? So we got some more popcorn, so we're gonna unpack that, put it in the pantry. Okay, lemonade. So when I make my ginger, my blend up ginger, this is what I'm going to add instead of the Gatorade sometimes. So you have like a lemonade, ginger lemonade taste for my drinks. This comes in handy on the days that we're gonna cook, or even just for like a lunch. I know it has sodium. We haven't had it in a while, but I was like, doomsday food, yay, hot water and raw food. So I got some. It's like 12 of them, so I don't need no time. And Land O'Lakes, we got some eggs, because you know these things tend to go fast as well in supermarkets. But then, you know, another part of me is like, let's say it does happen that things are sold out. All these things that we have in the house, they're gonna have to finish at a point. So like, what then? Oh my gosh.
But just bringing an issue from work to social media and very upset.
Okay, so we got our lemon. Okay, so we got our lemon. Lemons is to make honey and lemon for the throat, because I think the kids have like a cold or a cough or something, so they're gonna have to take shots of lemon and honey, maybe some ginger, so that's why I got the lemon. Red peppers, I don't know why I didn't get green, but I got red because I need to make seasoning and the scallions, and I put the two of them together, blend them up. Some sweet peppers, blend them up and make, you know, some green seasoning and use it for seasoning up the meat. And you guys already know I love the honey crisp. Over here we have the boneless chicken thighs and the legs, and that's literally all they had. So that's what I got.